declared 9th of December as International Anti-Corruption Day to be observed annually. The objective of this day is to create awareness about the negative effects of corruption and the need to prevent and fight it. United against corruption for development, peace and security, corruption is a serious crime that can undermine social and economic development in all societies. No country, region or community is immune.
Corruption refers to a form of criminal activity or dishonesty. It refers to an evil act by an individual or a group. Most noteworthy, this act compromises the rights and privileges of others. Furthermore, corruption primarily includes activities like bribery and embezzlement. However, corruption can take place in many ways. Most probably, people in positions of authority are susceptible in corruption. Corruption certainly reflects greedy and selfish behavior.
Bribery is the most common method of corruption. Bribery involves the improper use of favors and gifts in exchange for personal gain. Furthermore, types of favors are diverse. Above all, the favors include money, gifts, company shares, sexual favors, employment, entertainment, and political benefits. Also, personal gain can be given preferential treatment and overlooking crime.
Embezzlement refers to the act of withholding assets for the purpose of theft. Furthermore, it takes place by one or more individuals who are entrusted with these assets. Above all, embezzlement is a type of financial fraud. The graft is a form of corruption. Most noteworthy, it refers to the illegal use of a politician's authority for personal gain. Furthermore, a popular way for the graft is misdirecting public funds for the benefit of politicians.
Extortion is another major method of corruption. It means to obtain property, money or services illegally. Above all, the obtainment of this takes place by coercing individuals or organizations. Hence, extortion is quietly similar to blackmail. Favoritism and nepotism is quite an old form of corruption still in usage. This refers to a person favoring one's own relatives and friends to jobs. This is certainly a very unfair practice. This is because many deserving candidates fail to get their jobs.
Abuse of discretion is another method of corruption. Here is a person misusing one's power and authority. An example can be a judge unjustly dismissing a criminal's case. Finally, influence peddling is the last method here. This refers to illegal using one's influence with the help of the government or other authorized individuals. Furthermore, it takes place in order to obtain preferential treatment or favor.
Corruption is directly proportional to greed, greed for power, money, etc. Greed corrupts our values and ethics. Tolerance of people towards corruption, lack of powerful outcry against it further paves way for corruption. If we do not take step forward to remove corruption from the root, the word developing country will always be attached with our country, India. So we, the common man, are solution for removing corruption from our India, and hence we will be also helpful in making our country developed.
Our former President, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, said a strong youth movement in the country only can remove corruption, and each student should take a vote to begin this exercise courageously within the family. Government officials should give the power to public to report immediate corruptions they face in their daily lives and act on it within days. Ending corruption would lead to a healthy society to live in. So, let us hold our hands to build a nation without corruption.